Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a restaurant at Georgetown and how to make a reservation. When I like to find a restaurant around Georgetown, the first place I like to go is Yelp. Yelp is a website that helps you find restaurants and other businesses around where you live or where you work, to where you can try to find new places to go. So first, you're going to go to yelp.com, and in the find box, you're going to type in the type of place that you're looking for. So let's say that we're looking for sushi. So you type in sushi. In this box, you type in your location. In this case, it's Georgetown. So now we can click search. When you run the search, you'll see the results that come up with sushi near Georgetown. As you can see, it's a pretty basic result of basically any restaurant near Georgetown that serves sushi. There are ways to narrow down these results. So let's say you're constrained by a budget, so you wanted more inexpensive restaurants. So you can limit it to inexpensive and moderately expensive, which narrows down the search to these restaurants here. We can also use this map over here to look at the restaurants that Yelp has pulled up that are closest to us. So according to this map, looks like number 3, Mai Tai, is closest to Georgetown University. If you click that number 3, you'll wind up on the page for Mai Tai, which includes a number of information about the restaurant. So the first thing I would point out is the rating. So according to Yelp reviewers, this has an average rating of 3.5 stars, which is pretty decent. If you scroll down, you can learn more information about this restaurant, such as you can see its menu, its price range per person, its hours today, and its hours for the rest of the week, as well as some more business information, such as if you can park, if they have a full bar, if there's Wi-Fi. You can also read reviews of what various Yelp users have had to say about the restaurant. They usually put the most recent reviews up on top. You have to make sure you take these reviews with a grain of salt, because sometimes someone's only going to review the restaurant if they had a really awful time or if they had a really great time. So you have to make sure you kind of can pick out the outliers to get a really good sense or a good feel of what the restaurant is like. Yelp has a number of other filters, such as, let's click this button here, such as if it's open now, if it has takeout, etc. So let's switch up the search a bit and let's try to see how these other filters work. So some of these other filters work. So let's search for a brunch place. Now, when I like to get brunch, I like to go with a big group. So let's say it's good for groups. And let's up the price range a bit. And now we can search. Oops, I have to put these filters back on. As you can see, these are the restaurants that fit those criteria. Now, let's say we found one of these that we really liked, such as Plaza Georgetown. If we click into it, we'll see that the average review is pretty good, 4 stars. Now, to make the reservation, you can call the restaurant. You can actually reserve through Yelp, but I like to use OpenTable. So to use OpenTable, you go to OpenTable.com, and now you can search in Clyde's of Georgetown. Now let's say we wanted to make it for 4 people, and let's say next weekend, Saturday at noon. And it's as simple as that. As you can see, there are tons of tables open at 2 Saturdays from now at 4 p.m. for 4 people. All you would have to do is click one of these. I'm not actually going to do it because I don't actually want to reserve it. And there you go. You have your reservation. What's great about OpenTable is that for each reservation you make, you get 100 points. And for every 2,000 points, you get $20 off a meal at any participating OpenTable restaurant. So if you like to eat out a lot, OpenTable is a great way to save some money in the long run. Now, In case you didn't know where Clyde's was, you can go to Google Maps, type in Clyde's of Georgetown, and there it is. And if you even want directions to Clyde's, you can click directions from Georgetown University. And there you have it. That is how you get to your brunch spot. Now, I hope this video was helpful in helping to find some alternatives to Leo's for your everyday plans.